Welcome to Venz AI. To get started, simply enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to access your Venz AI dashboard. If you're new to Venz AI, creating an account is quick and easy. Just fill in your details, complete the verification process, and you're ready to unlock the full power of AI prompt generation. Verification link is sent to your email inbox. Visit that link. Then enter your credentials. Within seconds, your dashboard loads, giving you access to all the tools you need to create powerful prompts. This is the prompt generator, the core feature of Venz AI. It takes your rough idea and transforms it into a highly detailed, professional prompt optimized for today's leading AI platforms. Start by entering a simple description of what you want to create. Even a short or basic prompt is enough for Venz AI to understand your vision. Next, select the type of refined prompt you want from the drop-down menu. Once everything is set, click Refine Prompt and let Venz AI transform your rough idea into a highly detailed and professionally structured prompt. In just moments, your refined prompt is ready. Simply copy the generated prompt and paste it into any compatible AI platform to start creating immediately. Optimize your workflow with Venz AI. Begin for free and scale as you grow.